fish for the very first time. We're gonna take the island and cook it up. Yes, sir. Woo-hoo! Here comes the deep obsession. Got Carronade on board. Deep obsession. Woo-hoo! We made it out to the triple rig, and everybody's got a few people gearing up. We got Carronade. They ended up over there on the deep obsession, way down there on the other side. It's a little rough, but doable. Water's kind of chilly, 66 degrees.
Hey, look.
And Luke is about ready.
Aquaman. The water.
Aquaman. Luke got us first blood up.
Oh yeah, look how beautiful.
Good job. Skeleton man, get ready. Woo, baby.
Get ready.
Styling.
Maybe the fish get scared.
That's it. Second blood coming up.
We'll take it. Well, here we are with a mama sheephead caught by Luke right here.
Good job, Luke.
Oh my God, it's a massive one. Look at it, guys. Woo! Oh yeah.
Right? Yeah,
Oh,
baby.
it's a
Monster!
monster!
No, that's the biggest one we got so far.
Oh,
He's pissed. He got him right in the face.
Get right in the face, baby.
Good job, Luke.
Yeah, two on my foot. That's it.
A 2-foot fish.
Two of Omar.
Triple rig.
Sheepheads.
You got them all, Omar.
Got it, boy. We got a fish.
We got sheepshead and the ceviche.
Ceviche, shrimp.
Shrimp.
And fish is cooking. Now we put some lime in it. It's gonna be ready in about an hour. And we're gonna enjoy ceviche time, baby. Woo! Yes, sir.
It's gonna be good stuff. There's
That
our
is
box
all.
shot.
Yeah, look at that box, Mark.
Check out Omar.
Oh, I saved a little bird, Mark.
You saved him?
Yeah, we saved him. We all saved him. Oh, he was just swimming right there in the water. Look at him. So, I guess we're gonna take it back to land. See if he can make it. It's beautiful. It's got some blues in it. See the head? It's got some blues.
So we put him up under the thing.
Yeah. Let's put him in the cabin, huh?
Or not. We'll just put him up here.
Cabin in a box. Stay right there, girl. Don't move. He's tired. He's tired.
We got the grill. We're ready for island time now.
We got a lot of fish. A lot. We'll meet you on the island, Tommy. Tommy, we'll meet you at the island. You said, right?
We're out here on Horn Island. You gonna backflip it?
He's gonna do it, huh?
Watch him.
Oh, come on! Yeah! Good deal, dude!
Damn.
Right.
That's pretty radical.
Yeah,
there.
nah, he's... look, jump out of
It's
one
great out here at the
time.
island.
Sometime.
Good day. Turned out real slick.
I see the video.
So we just cleaned a little sheepshead. We're gonna put him on the grill. Mix that fish up. A little more. This one too. All right, we're gonna put them on the grill. We're bringing them up. We're gonna put them on the sunbeam.
It's cooking time. Island of Horn Island.
Hold this.
Yes. Oh, look at that.
A little seasoning on it.
Mark, you're just a good chef right there. Wow, you're even ready for all your spices.
Yep.
That looks beautiful.
I even got a lemon in the cabin. I forgot to go get it.
You want me to go get do we still have some limes in the
All
boat?
right.
Chinin.
All right. That's gonna be good.
Oh yeah, this is what it's gonna make.
Yeah, it's coming out good.
Oh yes.
A little sriracha, a little lime.
Sriracha, lime, peppers. Woo-hoo. Cooking in Horn Island, baby.
We're gonna check it out. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Sweet chicken.
Good stuff.
I want to try it.
Fish and cook.
Oh yes, sir. Cooking and fishing in Mississippi is the best. Here, cheers. Oh my God.
It's good stuff.
Dude, you gotta get some.
That is pretty good. And I'm gonna put a little bit of avocado in.
Oh, the avocado comes out.
Yes, sir.
Now we're getting real.
Oh, look, that's gonna. It's good.
That's the skin one. This one don't have.
Oh, this one don't have skin. But it's cooking perfectly.
Got one on the half shell and one wide open.
Oh my God, I love sheephead now.
Yeah.
I can say that I'm a sheephead now.
A lot of people have discovered sheepshead now that red snapper's been shut down. They figured out this is the new snapper. The one with the skin,
Oh,
there's a lot more oil on it, and it's really got flavor.
What's that called?
Big flavor.
Delicious.
Yeah, I want to try some too.
But now let's try this one because always the skin gives you a little bit of flavor. You know?
Get on the edge.
Yeah, okay. I got it from here. All right, let's get
There
a piece
you
of
go.
avocado.
That's a good one. Yeah, baby.
Oh my God, it's butter. Delicious.
That's a sweet, flaky meat. That's some sweet meat right there, Omar.
Yeah, sweet heaven.
We're gonna make you a
Sweet
sheepshead
heaven.
believer.
Oh yeah.
The heck with
I'm
snapper.
already sold. Wait just please. You tell your chef.
And the seagulls get the skin.
I know about fish. And I know really that this is not good.
Go ahead, you can have it.
Please tell him that and see what he says. He goes back to the kitchen, comes back and says, the chef said that he's so sorry. Can't go for it. So he was lying, by the way. I saw it. But at least he was honest. You know, he knew that I was gonna fuck with him anyway. What y'all doing?
They want the skin.
Get y'all some fish.
Bark, bark. Like a chicken.
I don't think they want to eat the skin. They know what's fucking good.
They'll pick
They
it
know
up.
dumbass.
Now watch him. See?
Oh yeah,
That's what I want. Then they'll fight over it.
Oh, this is good. Oh, that was a fight. UFC bird fight. Oh, yeah.
That's what we want to see. Island entertainment.
Oh, no.